Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. As I said, today we will discuss about logic gates. So how the logic gates works? First thing is, as I said, there are three gates: OR, AND, NOT gate. First, OR gate. Let's take one circuit. Here one switch, here one switch, and here one bulb is there, and here you have connected to one circuit. This is switch S1, this is switch S2. Now here I am taking S1, S2, and this is bulb. Now here switch on off, nothing but close or open. If you close, current will pass, that is you are applying voltage 1. If you open, you are not giving any input, 0. So when you take 0, 0, both switches are open. When both switches are open, you are not allowing any input through S1, S2. So 0, 0. Then the circuit is not completed, so no current flows through the bulb. Then bulb will not glow, because output is not coming. Here output is bulb should glow. Input is switches through inputs. Now 0, 1. Switch S1 is open, but S2 is closed. Now you connected this. This is not completed, but the circuit is completed through S2. This is a closed one. Then current will pass through S2, then pass through bulb. Then bulb will glow. So 1. So when S2 is closed but S1 is open, current is passing through S2. So S2 is 1, input is on. But S1 is 0, but still you are getting output, that is glowing bulb. So output is 1. Now similarly 1, 0, here now it is open. Now it is connected. So here it is not closed, but here it is closed. But still current will flow through the bulb. Now also you can get the output. Now you close both the switches. So 1, 1. Then current will pass through here and it will divide here and again combine here. You have studied in current electricity. So again current passes through the bulb. So output should come. So here OR gate is something like where the two inputs, if you consider A comma B, and the output is Y, then A 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then the output is like 0 1 1 1. That means OR gate is a kind of gate where the output you can get it only when both inputs are not applied. Both inputs are 0. Except that in every case you can get the output. So this is called truth table. This is called truth table. For which one? For AND gate. So, not AND gate, OR gate. That OR gate only we will represent like this. These are the two inputs A comma B, and this is the output Y. So this is the representation of OR gate. So this line should come like a curve, this one. So two inputs you are giving and you are getting one output, which depends on inputs as shown, which is called truth table. And this is the circuit which consists, as I said, transistor and all. But we don't want what is there inside. We want only what is the input and output only. And apart from this, there is also one Boolean expression that also we will study, but that we will study later. Right now we are just studying what is the working nature of particular gate and what is the truth table and what is the circuit representation. Similar way, now let us try to understand the second one, AND gate. That is, now you build up a circuit like this. See, earlier case there were two switches connected in parallel, but right now or in the present situation there are two switches connected in series with the bulb. Now what happens? Now if you consider both are open, that means both are 0, 0, 0, then here circuit is incomplete, because if it is open or if it is open, either S1 or S2 is open, then circuit is not closed, no current flows through bulb, so bulb will not glow, 0. Output is 0. But if you close S1 or if you close S2, any one, means 0, 1 or 1, 0. See, if you close this, current will flow only up to this, because this is open. So it will not complete. If this is open and this is closed, suppose if this is open and this is closed, then current will not flow here, because it is not completed. So no current will flow through the bulb. So for 0, 1 and for 1, 0 also the output is 0, because no current will flow through the circuit, no glowing of bulb happens. That's why for all the three cases, for 0, 0, for 0, 1, for 1, 0, in all the three cases, what is the output? 0, 0, 0. Now the fourth one is 1, 1. Both inputs you are giving, that means both are closed. So both switches closed, so both are 1, 1. Then circuit is completed. Then current will flow through the circuit, also bulb. Then bulb will glow. That means only when two inputs are working, then only output is coming. Such kind of logic we call it as AND gate. Such kind of logic we call it as AND gate, where the circuit for the AND gate we represent like this, like a D. So this is the representation for AND gate. So OR gate means for 0, 0, the output is 0. For rest everything, output is 1, output is coming. But in case of AND gate, only for 1, 1, output is coming. For rest of the cases, output is 0. Output is completely 0. Similarly, if you consider NOT gate, this is simple one. See, the NOT gate is only single input gate. So here, or you can represent with a bubble also. There is one input, there is one output. So here input, here output. If you give 0, 1 should come. If you give 1, it's 0 should come. So that is what the NOT gate works. Simple one. So 0 input 1, 1 input 0. So usually it is used as addition to OR gate or AND gate. No question will come particularly based on NOT gate. The question will come based on the combination of OR with NOT and with NOT. So NOT gate means when you give the input, the output will not come. When you don't give the input, then output will come. So such kind of circuit we call it as NOT gate. What is that? NOT gate. So here we are trying to understand what is the working nature of these gates and what is the input and output table, nothing but truth table of these gates. What are those three gates? OR, and NOT gate. Now based on these three only, what they will do is they will take one OR gate. This is OR gate and this is the output, and at the output means to the OR gate circuit they will connect one NOT gate. Now this is one input A, this is B, and this is our output Y. Now NOT gate means we represent with a bar. So where there is a bar, you have connected at the edge what? NOT gate. So here if you take the truth table A, B, Y and Y bar. So this is OR gate. So we already knew that 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. But Y bar means after this output, here you are connecting one NOT gate. So now this output will change because this is the input to NOT gate. Then what is output? 0 means 1, 1 means 0. So this table or this combination they call it as OR plus NOT, nothing but NOR gate. So the combination of OR and NOT we call it as NOR gate. Then similar way the combination of and NOT you can see. What is that? See here. Here you take one AND gate. Now you connect one NOT gate to the edge. Here first there are two inputs we have given, but these two inputs we have given to AND gate. Then what is the output? 0, 0, 1. Only for input 1, 1 only output is 1. For rest of the combinations output is 0. Then here you are connecting one NOT gate. So this is the input we are giving to NOT gate. Then what happens? Then 0 will come 1. 0 will become 1. 1 will become 0. So this way here the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. That means here we are adding AND with NOT. So this resultant will become NAND gate. One is OR. Then combination with NOT gives NOR gate. Another is AND. Combination with NOT gives NAND gate. So here except for 1, 1, every case it is 1. Output is 1. So finally I will conclude you that let's take like suppose OR gate, or else one truth table I will write it. So if you remember truth tables, then only you can solve the questions based on this. Now A, B, and this is OR, this is AND, this is NOR, this is NAND. So the combination is like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. OR gate means 0, then rest is 1. AND gate is 0, 0, 0, 1. NOR is opposite to this one, 1, 0, 0, 0. NAND is opposite to this one, 1 1 1 0. So here the OR gate is for 0 0 0 and for rest of them 1. AND gate is for 1 1 it is 1, for rest of them it is 0. And if you remember these two, then these two will come automatically. And according to Boolean expression, OR gate is nothing but A plus B addition. But here 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Also 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 2, we all knew it. But according to digital electronics, according to logic gates, 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 only. That is what? The OR gate. Like 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to how much? 1. Similarly, AND gate we represent with A dot B, or simply you can write AB. So it is like product. It is like addition. AND gate means product of inputs and OR gate is addition. This is called Boolean expression. This is the Boolean expression of OR gate and AND gate. Similarly, if you consider this one, here Y bar, that is A plus B whole bar, and this is like Y bar equal to AB bar, A into B whole bar. So this is what? The Boolean expression. So based on this Boolean expression also questions will come. So how and what type of questions will come, all those things we will study, right? So this is what the basic idea of the different type of gates. But one more gate is there, that is XOR gate, that we will study in the coming class, because it is the combination and it depends on the Boolean expression also. So today you understand and practice these gates only, right? Thank you.